Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
I will show 3 fast ways to open Task Manager in Windows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager immediately. That shortcut bypasses extra screens and goes straight to the app. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and choose Task Manager from the blue options screen. Use this when you need security options or to lock the computer. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager to open it from the desktop. This method works in Windows 10 and Windows 11 without keyboard shortcuts. There are additional ways to launch Task Manager when shortcuts are unavailable. Press Windows plus X and select Task Manager from the Power Users menu. This works on laptops where the taskbar is hidden or locked. Open the Start menu and type Task Manager or Taskinger to search and open it quickly. You can also press Windows plus R, type Taskinger, and press Enter to run Task Manager. Right-click the Task Manager icon and choose Run as Administrator when elevated access is required. Open Task Manager and click More Details to reveal all available tabs. The Processes tab shows apps and background processes with CPU % and memory in MB. Use the Performance tab to view CPU, memory, disk, and network graphs over time. On the Startup tab, you can disable apps that increase boot time and see startup impact. Select a process and click End Task to stop an unresponsive app, but avoid ending system-critical processes. Use Run as Administrator to manage protected processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.